Hello friends, this is a 1975 Mexican Spec B100 panel truck. This truck started life as a regular cab short bed, and a conversion company created what you see here for the first owner. Under the hood is a Mexican 302 V8 mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. This is the one with the granny first gear. This was a panel truck from birth, but side windows were installed along the way. The front seat is a split bench covered in beige vinyl and in really good condition. Out back, it has a wood floor. This has been a work truck all of its life. You can see the original color was white on the inside. Somebody liked the school bus yellow though. The rear part of the truck needs a deep clean and maybe the wood treated and cared for. This is a blank slate to create the truck of your dreams. You can see from the video of the engine running, it does run really well. Please comment below on how you would make this your dream truck. The price stated here includes a set of new tires. The vehicle delivered to the Nogales border will be $9,553. This includes transportation from southern Mexico to my location, and I will take it the rest of the way. If you have any questions about the importation process, I will be happy to answer them. We go live on my YouTube channel, Mexican Spec, every Saturday at 2 p.m. Mountain Time. Please come and ask all the questions you have. You can see more Mexican vehicles at mexicanspec.com, and if interested, please read the procedure link on my website to learn more. Please like, share, subscribe. Actually, subscribe first, then do the rest. Have a great day.